Hey there, chemical industry innovators. Have you ever wondered what goes into making those incredible chemical products that shape our world? Imagine cracking the code to discover their secrets, improve them, and even innovate new ones. Welcome to our online training on chemical reverse engineering. So, what exactly is chemical reverse engineering? It's a transformative process that lets you decode the intricate makeup of complex chemical products. Think of it as being a detective for the chemical world, dissecting formulations, understanding their exact composition, and uncovering the methods used to create them. This isn't just about breaking down products, it's about unlocking the secrets behind their performance, durability, and functionality. Using advanced analytical tools like spectroscopy, chromatography, and computational modeling, chemical reverse engineering provides a roadmap to innovation. Imagine the power to improve product quality, troubleshoot failures, and even develop sustainable alternatives by understanding the building blocks of existing materials. But wait, there's more. This skill isn't just about analysis. Chemical reverse engineering plays a critical role in competitive intelligence, helping companies stay ahead in the market. It also supports failure analysis, ensuring defects are identified and rectified efficiently. With cutting-edge technologies like AI and machine learning, the process is becoming faster, more accurate, and more insightful than ever before. So how can you harness this powerful tool to drive innovation in your organization? What are the ethical and legal considerations when reverse engineering products? Our comprehensive expert-led online training will guide you through all of this and more. Here's why you shouldn't miss this opportunity. Well, first of all, master tools like spectroscopy, chromatography, and computational modeling to stay ahead in the industry. Learn how to analyze competitor products and use insights to drive innovation and outperform rivals. Expert will also guide you to troubleshoot failures, improve quality control, and enhance product performance. You will also discover how AI and automation are transforming chemical reverse engineering. Last but not least, expand your expertise, become a valuable asset, and unlock new growth opportunities in the ever-changing chemical industry. So who should attend this training? Well, this is a must-have training for R&D chemists, formulators, engineers, technical managers, lab managers, product development teams, and anyone involved in the chemical industry. This exclusive training will cover in detail the fundamentals of chemical reverse engineering, tools and techniques, challenges and best practices, and also a deep discussion on future trends and innovations in chemical reverse engineering. Join us and revolutionize your approach to product development, quality control and sustainability in the chemical industry. Unlock the secrets of chemical reverse engineering today. Ready to get started? To register, click on the link in the description or visit onlytrainings.com now.